Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kimi Akla, aka Kimi Alias, and today we're gonna talk about what's in my camera bag 2022, how to start YouTube in 2022, and how you can make 50,000 authentic followers on Instagram this year in 2022. Let's get into it. What's in my camera bag and how to start YouTube in 2022 goes a little bit hand in hand. You don't need any fancy gear. I only got 3 different TAMRON lenses, this right here and the Sigma 35 1.4. On the camera there as bodies, I only have the A7 III and the A7S III filming right now. And remember, you can't be a vlogger without having an FPV drone. And most important thing first, you got to have the Pegitech, and this is like the best vlogging thing ever. It also has a clamp right there. You can see it right there. You can like hang it wherever, like for example on your microphone, like that. Voila, it's perfect. It goes everywhere, and it even has a little like cell phone thing there that you can mount on top. It's beautiful. But yeah, the thing is that you want to start YouTube this year, pick up your phone, start filming. You don't need fancy gear, you don't need fancy lighting like this, you don't need anything. Just pick up your phone and film. And remember, don't do it to yourself, do it to everyone else. And then to the most important part, how you can gain 50,000 authentic followers on Instagram. I'm gonna let you know. Pick up your phone and make reels. Yeah, exactly. And if you're a photographer, screw you. You don't belong here anymore. Go to Twitter now. Bye. Don't take me wrong. I love YouTube. I love all the YouTubers. This is just with love. It's just funny how everyone is always pumping out the same content at the same time. It's just hilarious to me. Peace out. Love you guys. Go check out my Instagram at kimi.alias. Remember to like and subscribe on this channel. I'm out of it, beer.